Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the 503 service unavailable error in Roblox. This error can sometimes be caused by Roblox server issues or problems on your own device. First, understand that this issue is not always from your side. Sometimes Roblox servers may be temporarily down or experiencing high traffic. To check this, open your browser and go to the Roblox status website. It is called status.roblox.com, and you can look for any ongoing issues or outages there. If there are problems listed, the best thing you can do is wait until the servers are back to normal. If there are no server issues, then the problem may be on your side. Now open any web browser you like. In this example, we are using Google Chrome. And go to the browser settings. Once you are in settings, go to privacy and security, then to third-party cookies. Scroll down and click on see all site data and permissions. In the search bar, search for Roblox and press enter. If you see any instances of Roblox, click the delete icon and confirm delete when prompted. Now restart your browser, go back to Roblox and try again. This should resolve the issue if it was caused by corrupted cache or stored data. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Roblox 503 error by checking server status and clearing browser cache and cookies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.